Nimdzi Learning is the first ever e-learning platform designed specifically for localization professionals. We know how challenging our industry can be, and we want to help you and your business grow. Our video-based courses are created for localization professionals, industry newcomers, and those who are looking to gain insights to better navigate this globalized world and to understand the value of localization. Here's how you and your team can get started with Nimdzi Learning today. Head over to nimdzi.com/courses and choose the course you're ready to take. Log in or sign up for your free account. Read about the course, explore the materials such as quizzes to keep you on track, and learn about your instructor. You can even book office hours with him or her. Follow the course plan and revisit the recording at any time. We're constantly adding new courses to our growing catalog because we believe in the value of continuous professional development.